Next, we have Power Automate, which is the simplest way to automate processes in your business. This was previously known as Microsoft Flow. We have three main new features. The first one is Universal Search, which allows users to find connectors, blogs, even tutorials on how to create their flows much quicker and have those resources right at their fingertips. Next, the AI-infused workflows. This is a premium feature. Previously, the AI Builder was a separate function of Power Automate, but they have added it as an option when creating an action. So you can add artificial intelligence directly to each step. Next, we have our text expressions. These are options to parse text and view text in a different way. It's now facilitated with different explanations and 5 different expressions that are available.